Picture this. Two stunning 13-inch OLED screens in one laptop. That's right. The Yoga Book 9i doubles your visual playground with a breathtaking 8K resolution on each display. But it's not just about the size, it's the quality and the seamless interaction these screens offer. Imagine editing videos, coding, or designing with twice the efficiency and double the fun. Let's start with the dual display setup, the centerpiece of the Yoga Book 9i. Each 13-inch OLED screen is a window to digital excellence. With a resolution of 8K, these displays offer more than just sharp images. They bring a level of immersion that's unprecedented in laptop design. Whether you're a graphic designer, a video editor, or someone who loves to multitask, the clarity and vibrancy of these screens will transform your workflow. Moving on to the touch interface, each screen responds with precision to your touch. This responsiveness isn't just about navigating through menus, it's about interacting with your content in a more intuitive and natural way. The touch screens are perfect for creative professionals who rely on a direct and tactile interaction with their digital canvases. Next, let's talk about the versatility of its form factor. The Yoga Book 9i doesn't just open and close, it transforms. Need to make a presentation? Flip it into tent mode and impress your audience. In the mood for some reading or browsing? Lay it flat and enjoy a seamless dual-screen experience. This flexibility is not just about convenience, it's about adapting to your lifestyle and needs. Now let's look into the heart of this machine. The Intel Core Ultra 7 processor. This processor is a powerhouse designed for those who demand performance without compromise. Whether you're running complex simulations, editing high-resolution videos, or juggling multiple tasks, this processor keeps up with your pace, ensuring a smooth and lag-free experience. But this laptop is more than just powerful hardware. The integrated AI capabilities set it apart. The Neuro processing unit works behind the scenes, learning your habits and optimizing performance based on your usage. It's like having a personal assistant who knows exactly what you need, even before you do. The virtual keyboard is another marvel. While the idea of typing on glass might seem futuristic, Lenovo has made it a reality, and a comfortable one at that. The haptic feedback mimics the feel of real keys, providing a typing experience that's both familiar and innovative. For those who prefer physical keys, the included Bluetooth keyboard seamlessly integrates with the laptop, offering the best of both worlds. Connectivity is crucial in today's world, and the Yoga Book 9i excels in this area. With its multiple Thunderbolt 4 ports, connecting to external devices is a breeze. Whether you need to hook up additional monitors for an extended workspace or transfer large files quickly, these ports ensure that your laptop is always connected and capable. Audio quality is often overlooked in laptops, but not here. The Yoga Book 9i features a Bowers & Wilkins speaker system ingeniously integrated into its hinge. This design not only saves space but also directs sound towards you, creating an immersive audio experience. Whether you're watching a movie, attending a virtual meeting, or enjoying your favorite music, the sound quality is unmatched, making it feel like you're in the heart of the action. Security is another paramount feature. The Yoga Book 9i's Windows Hello cameras bring facial recognition technology to your laptop. This advanced security feature ensures that your device and data are protected, accessible only to you. It's fast, secure, and incredibly convenient, replacing passwords with just a glance. The build quality of the Yoga Book 9i speaks volumes about Lenovo's commitment to excellence. Its sleek, robust design is not just aesthetically pleasing, it's built to withstand the rigors of daily use. Whether you're working from a coffee shop or in a corporate boardroom, this laptop stands out for its style and durability. In terms of battery life, the Yoga Book 9i is a game-changer. Despite powering two large OLED displays, the laptop offers impressive battery longevity. This means you can work, play, and create for extended periods without worrying about running out of juice. It's perfect for professionals and students who need a reliable device that keeps up with their demanding schedules. Let's explore the laptop's dual-screen functionality in more depth. Imagine having a script or reference material open on one screen while drafting an email or report on the other. Or, for coders and developers, having your code on one screen and your output or documentation on the other. This setup isn't just convenient, it revolutionizes how we interact with technology, making multitasking not just possible but effortless. For creative professionals, the Yoga Book 9i is a dream come true. The precision pen and touch interface open up new avenues for digital artists, designers, and illustrators. Sketching, drawing, and editing images become more intuitive and natural, almost like working on a canvas. This laptop blurs the line between digital and physical art, offering a new realm of creative possibilities. And let's not forget about the laptop's potential for entertainment. The dual screens offer a unique viewing experience, whether it's watching movies, streaming your favorite series, or even gaming. The Yoga Book 9i transforms into a portable entertainment hub. The vibrant displays and stellar audio make it an ideal device for media consumption. In the realm of productivity, the Yoga Book 9i shines brightly. Its ability to display multiple applications simultaneously enhances efficiency in unprecedented ways. Picture yourself in a spreadsheet on one screen, a video conference on the other, all the while jotting down notes or reminders. This isn't just multitasking, it's multitasking redefined, enabling professionals across various fields to optimize their workflow like never before. But it's not all about work. The Yoga Book 9i's unique design makes it an excellent device for education and learning. Students can have textbooks open on one screen and a note-taking app on the other. This dual display setup is also ideal for online learning, where one can attend virtual classes on one screen while referencing materials or working on assignments on the other. For those who love to read, the Yoga Book 9i offers an unmatched experience. Imagine flipping through an ebook or browsing through digital magazines with a dual screen setup. This setup provides a more book-like reading experience, making digital reading more comfortable and engaging. Let's talk about the portability of the Yoga Book 9i. Despite its dual screens and robust features, it's surprisingly compact. When folded, it's as portable as any traditional laptop, making it easy to carry around in your backpack or handbag. This portability means you can bring this powerhouse to your office, classroom, or favorite cafe, making it a versatile companion for your everyday life. The Yoga Book 9i also caters to the growing trend of remote work. With its advanced features, it's an ideal laptop for those who work from home. The dual screens allow for a more organized and efficient workspace, and the high-quality camera and microphone make virtual meetings more professional and engaging. In terms of gaming, while the Yoga Book 9i might not be a dedicated gaming laptop, it offers ample capabilities for casual gaming. The high-resolution displays and fast processor ensure a smooth and enjoyable gaming experience, whether you're playing light games from the Windows Store or streaming from a gaming console. Finally, the environmental impact of technology is a growing concern, and Lenovo has addressed this with the Yoga Book 9i. The laptop is built with sustainability in mind, featuring energy-efficient components and a design that's both durable and recyclable. This commitment to sustainability means that choosing the Yoga Book 9i is not just a win for you, but also for the planet. As we conclude this comprehensive exploration of the Lenovo Yoga Book 9i, it's evident that this laptop is more than a technological device. It's a portal to a new era of digital interaction. Its blend of innovation, versatility, and performance makes it a beacon in the tech world, signaling the future of computing. What's your take on this dual-screen marvel? Can you envision it transforming your digital life? Share your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. And don't forget, for more in-depth tech reviews and the latest in AI advancements, hit the like button, subscribe to AI Tech Underground, and join us in navigating the exciting world of technology. Until next time, keep exploring, keep innovating, and stay connected with AI Tech Underground.